In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form on Mailchimp using your Android device. This is a fantastic way to grow your audience and keep them engaged with your content. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can easily set up your form and start collecting emails. First, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have the app already, make sure it's installed on your Android device and enter your login credentials to access your Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of options on the left sidebar of your screen. You'll want to locate and tap on Forms. This section is your gateway to creating and managing all your forms within Mailchimp. Next, you should select Other Form from the options that appear. This means you're opting to create a unique form tailored to your specific needs and preferences rather than relying on any preset templates. It's a fantastic opportunity to showcase your brand's personality. The next significant step is to choose the audience you want to connect the form to. This is crucial because it determines where the emails will go once someone signs up. If you have multiple audiences or email lists, selecting the appropriate one ensures your new contacts are organized from the word go. From there, you'll need to pick a type of form that best suits your needs. Mailchimp offers three main options: the form builder, which generates a Mailchimp hosted link for you, the embedded form, which you can place directly on your website, and the pop-up form, perfect for catching your audience's attention when they visit your site. After you've picked the form type, it's time for customization. This is where you can let your creativity run wild. Add various fields like name, email, phone number, anything that's relevant to what you need. Change design elements to match your brand's aesthetic. This customization step can help make your form more appealing and user-friendly, which can increase sign-up rates. Once you're happy with how everything looks and functions, go ahead and click Save and Publish. This is the pivotal step that propels your form from a draft into a fully operational tool. Finally, decide how you're going to distribute your form. If you chose the form builder option, you can copy the form link and share it directly. This is perfect for sharing via social media or email. Alternatively, if you selected the embedded or pop-up form types, you'll need to copy the embed code. Place this code on your website where you want the form to appear. It's a seamless way to integrate signups directly into your site's user experience. And there you have it. You've successfully created a sign-up form on Mailchimp through your Android device. With all these steps accomplished, you're all set to engage with your audience more effectively. Happy emailing!